Secret to Mastering Kling AI Cinematic Prompting, the ultimate guide to video creation. Kling AI is quickly becoming one of the most sought after AI video generators, and it's no surprise. Its versatility and ease of use make it a powerful tool for both beginners and experts in content creation. Kling AI offers a range of features designed to streamline the video generation process, allowing users to create professional-grade videos with minimal effort. With Kling's capabilities, you can either use text to video or image to video, both of which come with advanced options that allow you to fine-tune your videos to perfection. One of the standout features of Kling AI is its ability to create videos from scratch using simple prompts. This is a major shift in how videos are traditionally made, especially for creators who don't have access to expensive equipment or technical knowledge. Whether you are making an animation, a commercial, or a YouTube video, Kling AI can help you bring your vision into life. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to use Kling AI's features from setting up your account to generating high-quality videos. The goal is to make you proficient in Kling AI in just a few easy steps. I'll show you how to create videos that don't just look good. They'll look as if they were made by a seasoned professional. Before diving into creating videos, let's first make sure you have an account. Head over to Kling AI website and log into your account. In case you haven't created your account yet, you can use your email address and create one. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a simple but intuitive dashboard. The dashboard has several different features, but for now, let's focus on most essential one, the video generator. Kling AI offers two main ways to generate videos, text to video and image to video. Both methods have their benefits depending on what kind of video you want to make. Text to video allows you to simply write a detailed description of a scene, and Kling AI will generate the video for you. Image to video, on the other hand, takes an image you have already created or found and animates it in a way that adds realistic movement and depth. We will start with text to video because it's the easiest option to begin with, especially if you are new to AI-based video creation. The most important aspect of using Kling's text-to-video feature is crafting a good prompt. A lot of people fall into the trap of writing vague prompts like a dog in a park or a person walking. While Kling AI will generate a video based on these descriptions, the results can often feel like flat or uninspiring. To get the best results, you need to be specific and creative. To make sure your videos come out looking their best, I recommend using the 5-part cinematic prompt structure. This structure helps you break down your prompt into 5 essential elements: subject description, action, environment, lighting and atmosphere, and camera movement. Let me give you an example of how to apply this. If you want to create a scene with a man walking through a forest, instead try something like this. A rugged explorer with a withered face and brown leather jacket carefully navigates through a dense, misty forest with towering pine trees. Golden sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dramatic shadows on the forest floor. The camera slowly tracks forward, following him from behind as he moves deeper into the woods. The level of detail you put into your prompt directly translates to the quality of the video you will receive. The more specific and vivid you are, the more immersed and visually stunning the video will be. So you can see the result. Here's another example for a different setting. If you want to create a futuristic city, your prompt might look something like this: a gleaming futuristic metropolis and towering glass skyscrapers and flying vehicles zooming between buildings. The city is buzzing with activity, while holographic advertisements illuminate the streets below. Neon lights reflect off wet pavement after a recent rainfall. The camera starts high above the city and gradually descends, moving through the layers of flying traffic to reveal the bustling street level. By breaking down your prompt with these 5 parts, you will guide Kling AI to create videos that feel dynamic and unique, avoiding the flatness that comes with vague descriptions. Now let's move into image to video. This will bring your still images to life. This option is perfect when you already have a specific image in mind that you want to animate. For example, maybe you have created a beautiful landscape or have a photo of a person you want to bring to life. With Kling, you can take that still image and add realistic animations, turning it into a dynamic scene. To use image to video, click on the Frames tab on your dashboard and upload your image. Once it's uploaded, you'll need to write a prompt describing how you want the animation to unfold. The same 5-part cinematic prompt structure applies here, but the difference is that the subject and environment are already defined by the image itself. You'll need to primarily focus on how the scene should move, how the camera should behave, and what elements should come to life. Let's say you have an image of a woman standing on a mountaintop, looking out over the landscape. Instead of just typing woman standing on a mountain, a better prompt might be a woman with long, wind-blown hair stands on a mountain overlook, gazing out at the vast, snow-capped peaks in the distance. The wind gently rustles her clothes and hair as the clouds drift slowly across the sky. Distant birds soar between the peaks and the camera gradually pulls back, revealing more of the stunning landscape as she takes in the view. This type of detailed prompt will give you more natural and realistic animation, making the still image feel alive. So you can see the result. Now let's jump into the advanced features of Kling, Elements, Lip Sync and more. One of Kling's AI's standout features is the Elements tool, which allows you to combine multiple images into one cohesive scene. This is a game changer for creating professional-looking videos without needing to shoot any live footage. To use the Elements feature, go to the Elements tab, upload a character image and a background image, and write a prompt describing how the two should interact. For example, you should take a picture of a businessman and combine it with an office background. Your prompt might look like this. A confident businessman stands at the head of a modern conference table in his sleek office, delivering a presentation to an on-scene audience. The office environment remains still while the businessman gestures with his hands, confidently explaining a new idea. The camera slowly zooms in on him as he speaks, emphasizing his focus and authority. The result is a perfectly blended video, with the businessman naturally interacting with the office environment as though he were filmed in that exact setting. Here's another example. Imagine you want to create a scene of a dog running on a beach. If you have separate images of a dog and a beach, you can combine them in Kling with a prompt like a golden retriever runs along the wet sand of a beach, kicking up water and sand as it chases an unseen object. Its fur bounces with each stride and the waves gently crash in the background. The camera follows the dog from the side as it runs, capturing the energy of the scene as seagulls fly overhead. The ability to merge elements from different images and create smooth, natural interactions is one of the most powerful features of Kling AI. Once a video is generated, you might want to add voices to the characters. This is where your Kling AI's lip sync feature comes in. With lip sync, you can either type out the dialogue or your characters or upload your own audio recordings. Kling AI allows you to choose from a range of AI voices, but if you want even more realism, I highly recommend using 11 Labs for voiceovers. 11 Labs offers incredibly natural sounding AI voices, and you can even clone your own voice for consistency across multiple videos. To use 11 Labs with Kling, generate the voiceover in 11 Labs, download the audio file, and then upload it to the Kling's lip sync feature. For example, let's say you are creating a corporate video with a businessman giving a presentation. You could upload a professional voiceover and Kling would perfectly sync the character's lip movements to the speech. This makes your video feel like a real, live-action recording. Finally, let's talk about some of the advanced settings that can make a big difference in your video quality. These settings help ensure that your videos look as professional as possible. Always enable professional mode for the highest quality video input. While this will use more credits, the results are well worth it. Professional mode improves texture details, lighting, animation smoothness, and overall video polish. Next up, Creativity Slider. This allows you to control how much creative freedom Kling AI has in interpreting your prompt. If you want strict adherence to your vision, slide the bar towards prevalence. If you're open to AI adding its own creative touches, slide it toward creativity. Next up, in the negative prompt field, you can specify what you don't want in your video. For example, you could write terms like blurry, distorted, pixelated, or unnatural lighting. This helps eliminate common AI-generated issues and produces cleaner, more professional results. With these tips and tricks, you are well on your way to mastering Kling AI and creating stunning videos that will set your content apart. If you want more advanced tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.